Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Indie Zone podcast. My name is Kathy. Today, May 8th, two documents appeared on the court docket in Idaho versus Kohberger, both of which relate to the defense's submission of their penalty phase lay witness list. The first is dated May 5th, 2025. It is motion to seal defendant's phase 2 mitigation witness list. It states, here comes now Brian C. Kohberger by and through his attorneys of record and hereby moves the court for an order to seal the defendant's phase 2 mitigation witness list. The motion is made pursuant to ICAR 32I, which is a rule of court, and IC section 741241B and C, that is a statute. It is dated May 5th, 2025, signed Ann C. Taylor. Interestingly, the defense failed to note that this phase 2 mitigation witness list, which is another word for the penalty phase lay witnesses, was due May 5th, 2025 by operation of Judge Stephen J. Hippler's October 9th, 2024 pretrial and trial order, which set that date as the absolute deadline for both sides to get their lay witness list for phase 2, aka the penalty phase. No notification here that Judge Hippler ordered those filings to be submitted under seal. The second item that appeared on the docket today is Judge Hippler's May 8th, 2025 order sealing this document, granting the sealing of a document that the court had already ordered be filed under seal. This is the order sealing defendant's phase 2 mitigation witness list. The court having before it in the motion to seal defendant's phase 2 mitigation witness list and good cause appearing now, therefore, it is hereby ordered defendant's phase 2 mitigation witness list shall be filed under seal pursuant to ICAR 32I and IC 741241B and C. These are the two legal authorities that the defense cited to in their motion to seal. Judge Hippler also does not make mention of his court order, which ordered them to be filed under seal to begin with. Finally, in our last episode of the Indie Zone podcast, we noted that the state had filed a document on May 2nd, which was published on the court docket today, the 8th, having to do with their penalty phase expert witness list. If you have not had an opportunity to review that episode of the Indie Zone podcast, please do. It will provide some background as to what the state's position was regarding the penalty phase lay witnesses. Again, there will only be a penalty phase if following the case in chief, which is scheduled to start August 11th, 2025. There is a return of a conviction regarding the 5 felonies that Mr. Kohberger will stand trial for. If alternatively the jury returns verdicts of not guilty, there will be no penalty phase because penalty phases are to determine sentencing in the case of a conviction. The case will be over. Mr. Kohberger can never be retried on these 5 charges at the state level, as double jeopardy would attach. This now concludes this episode of the Indie Zone. Thanks for joining us here today.